to see everything you built, he said, I'm looking at $100 million company.
We are responsible for the experience that someone has, and no one will know what that is going to look like until we start to speak.
Every lesson that we have learned, we took it the hard way. You know, we didn't put our hands up and caught it across the chin.
What would it mean to shift from surviving to thriving? Moving out of threat and into love.
Leave your materials. Tell them you'd like them to look it over.
Your authentic self is only exposed in its highest capacity when you share your story.